This isn't going to be easy.
I don't know.
What's your name?
Well, we saw the kids doing building a boat at the luau kind of thing, so we thought we would try and build a boat. We're having a little trouble though with the logistics.
I can probably build a boat.
You know, all we have is cardboard, plastic, and duct tape. That's the only materials you can
you can only use those things?
Yeah.
That's not a problem. I'll probably do that.
You can do that?
Yeah, no, I've done that before.
Really?
Yeah, I can do that.
You just want to handle it?
If you guys want to just kind of relax with something.
Okay.
Deal.
Alright. Yeah, good luck.
Yeah, do that. Yeah, alright. Guys, I think I'm done.
Oh, finished?
Just clean it up a little bit.
What you have?
Yeah,
Where is...
Oh,
where's the boat?
I got right. So, what do you think?
It's small.
Yeah.
Mike, the idea is that you need to build a boat that you can get in.
Float.
You need to hold you so you can float across the pool.
Yeah, you gotta be...
Has a hold?
It's a boat. It's a boat race.
You gotta be in it. It's kind of the point.
You didn't say anything about having to fit in it.
You need to get in it.
Oh,
row yourself across the pool.
Yeah, I don't think that it won't work.
Really?
I think we can make it work.
You think you can get in this and get across the pool?
To the pool!
Check it out.
Look at this.
Well, that didn't work.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
It needs to be a lot bigger than that.
Bigger.
At least 3 times bigger than that.
You're right. It absolutely does. To the pool!
Wow, that didn't work.
The problem is the water keeps getting on to the raft. Walls!
Nice. Mike, the water still keeps getting in the boat.
Yeah, once it gets in, we need to wait for the water to get out. Holes!
I guess I've just been rushing into things.
This time we have to get it right.
You're right. This time we need to use science.
Tape.
No.
No, what? Science.
Science.
Try and you'll succeed. Never doubt that you're the one, and you can have your dreams. Follow this around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. Follow this around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. Follow this around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down.
I think it's our best one yet.
I think it's about perfect.
I think it needs one more finishing touch.
When the odds in the game defy you, try your best to win them all, and one day time will tell when you're the one that's standing there